Cooking soul.
It's your girl Real Juice here today, and today we're gonna do is hydration. Hydrate, because a lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, how do you keep your skin so hydrated? How do you keep your skin so nice and full and hydrated? Like, how do you keep your skin so moisturized and whatever? So I'm gonna tell you how I keep my skin hydrated if my camera focuses, and we're gonna start this video so I can give you a little bit of a tips on how you keep your hydrated skin for this, especially this summer, because if it's really cold right now, it's not really that cold, but just know summer's gonna hit really hard, so we don't want that dry cracking skin. So let me give you some tips on how to literally keep your skin very much hydrated. So to keep your freaking skin hydrated and moisturized and looking non-crackable and whatever, just drink water. Basically, drink water. Drink lots and lots of water, because it will help you stay hydrated in a way. I drink a lot of water. I literally like grab a cup like this, or a big the big bottles from Polar Spring that are like this, and I keep it with me and I keep refilling it and drink and drink and drink a lot of water. You are gonna pee a lot, but you need to keep it hydrated. Also, oils. Glossier has these super glowy oils which are so nice. What I use from Glossier is their milky jelly cleanser. I haven't stressed this so much. Literally, I use this every single day, and it maintains my face very moisturized. This is like a conditioning face wash. I can't stress this enough. This right here will maintain your skin moisturized and hydrated. I love this so much. I really need to get another bottle because I literally about to run from it. Glossier has the most amazing products ever, so I advise you to get this and get their oils, because I'm waiting for my oils to arrive, because I gotta stay hydrated for the summer that's coming. It's supposed to be spring and Wednesday, so summer is about to come, and I need to keep this skin hydrated and nice and clean. Hydration is key to perfect ass life. Next thing is serums. I've been using the True Serum from, I can never say their freaking name, so I've been using the True Serum, and this shit is hydrating. I put it on and my skin is just fully hydrated. You can actually see, and it smells like oranges. It smells like oranges, and literally I love this. Their True Serum is amazing, and it actually wakes my skin up a lot more, so I just use it all over, and it has helped. If you haven't seen, right here I had a dark spots, and they were a bit drying, you can see the cracking of it. I've been using this with the Glossier thing in all my fresh products, and literally with this, it has brighten. It's gone. It's not cracking. You can see that I just put my finger and it's smooth as hell. So this is really good. They also got the black toner, I think it's black spots toner, that I'm gonna buy, because I have some black spots that I need to get rid of, and it tones your skin to a better tone. You could do that, but this right here is amazing. This is the travel size. I believe this is the travel size that I got. You can get it at any Sephora and then their website, and if you want, I have a discount code, not a discount code, but affiliation link for you to get anything you want from their company, so check that below. Another product that will hydrate your face is this one right here from Dr. Gerard. Plus. This is the water fusing one. I had this for a while, and I always use this when I have like really dry spots because it's like a watery consistency. Like if you can see, like you see how it reflects, it's just like a little milky watery consistency. Like once you put it in your skin, it like hydrates. So I'm gonna do like a little sample for you guys. I love this thing because I just literally put a little bit and literally it's hydrating. You see that glow? That's the glow that I want for the whole entire summer. So we need this ASAP. This product is a little bit soft. It melts on your skin. Like I said, I use this a lot to hydrate my face because sometimes, you know, a girl in this cold be cracking, be fucking tight and shit, and we don't need that. We really don't need that. Also, another gel product is the one that I always been using is from Fresh. This is the Rose Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. It's a little cream, literally like this. One dot goes a long way. I like literally just poke my finger in and just put it all over my eye. This can also help if you want to, you know, do some makeup eyeshadows. This will help it not crack under the eyes, and it hydrates under the eye. It's not sensitive. It doesn't smell that much. It just smells like roses, which is so good. Now if you don't want no fragrance, I advise you not to get it because it does have like a hint of rose. Another thing that I need to get again because I used it all is the rose water. Rose water hydrates your skin so much. I think I made a video a couple of years ago on how to make rose water in your house, just like rose petals. And rose petals are like what, $1, $2 in a supermarket. Well, my supermarket was like $2. A bunch of roses. Literally get it in a pot and everything. Use the aloe from your own freaking supermarket, and to be honest, that's only like $3. You can just do it in your house. It's so hydrating, and literally I used it, which I need to get a lot more, for my skin to wake up, to stay hydrated, moisturized, not crack. Literally, that keeps me going with the hydration. Now for full body hydration, I literally have been using my body oil from Neutrogena. This is a really like amazing one. This has no fragrance. There are ones that have fragrance. You can find it in your Bath and Body Works. You can find it at your TJ Maxx. You can find it in, I think, probably CVS. I think CVS. But you can also get it online, girl. Like, there's delivery time for you, so you can get this. This is really hydrating. It's very, very moisturizing. Like, I be putting it in my elbows because a girl be ashy and stuff, so I don't need a ashiness. I need to be moisturized. So this is what I use. And I also use this one, which is the Wet Skin Moisturizer. I love this. This is a go when I finish taking a shower. I just use this one. I got the Calming Green Tea one. If you haven't seen my other video, I already told you I recommend this a lot. This keeps me hydrated, keeps me intact. I still have the tape because I was traveling and I took this with me. I still use it. There's a different type of fragrance. So this one, you can find it in your Target, CVS, Duane Reade, probably Bath and Body Works also, or TJ Maxx. I'm not sure about those two, but Target and CVS and Duane Reade, you're probably gonna find this in your lotion aisle. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hydrating video because we need to stay hydrated. We don't want to be looking like crack because crack is whack. Yes, I did say it. Crack is whack. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Go in the description below for my Instagram, my Twitter, my Tumblr, because I'll be following people. I'll be commenting on your comments back, so you should do that. Yeah, I still can't hear from this ear. Like, I'm waiting for this ear to pop because this ear already popped, but you know, sometimes it's delayed. Like, if I go like that, Oh shit, it popped. Ow. It shit popped. Yeah, I'm still a little bit sick, still on antibiotics, suffering right here. But yeah, I see you guys next time, and deuces. Why did I say deuces? Bye guys.